Thank you, man.
The one that you were building?
Yeah, yeah.
I don't know what the hell you were doing. And I'm like, I guess so.
Do you like it though?
Yeah.
Thank you, man. Little things like that make me so happy. It makes all the time building this car completely worth it when other people also appreciate it. Going on, guys? I hope everyone is having an awesome day. Now, before I start the video, I just want to say that if you guys aren't following my Instagram, definitely go ahead and follow my Instagram, because those of you who are following my Instagram always pitch in for ideas. Today, I wasn't sure if I was going to install my big wing or my headlights. Now, some of you guys might not even know I have either of those things, but I asked you guys on Instagram if I should install the big wing or wait a little while. Now, you guys know I love big wing, but I was thinking of just enjoying the car as it sits. Ever since I showed you guys the new color of the BRZ, you guys have just been asking for a wing. You guys have been saying, where's the big wing? So I put a poll on my Instagram. Now, by the time you guys see this video, the poll is definitely gonna be down, but right now big wing is winning. So if you guys didn't want the big wing on ASAP, you guys should have voted in the poll. And if you guys couldn't vote in the poll, that means you don't follow my Instagram, so definitely go ahead, follow me on Instagram. Today the big wing isn't gonna be going on the BRZ, but we are installing some new headlights, which should be really fun. So believe it or not, these are actually my my stock headlights. The reason why they look kind of different right now is because I actually blacked out the headlight housing. If you guys want to know how to black out your headlight housings, I actually made a video on that a little while ago. I'll link it down in the description. But today these are gonna be leaving the car once and for all. I like them, they did me well. I was a huge fan of the new C light. Recently, a new brand has come out of the woodwork. You won't even believe it, but this is a Chinese brand. These aren't like JDM headlights or anything. These are Chinese made headlights, and I bought them from eBay. I literally bought these from eBay. I already opened these up. These look absolutely sick. I love them. It's time for the most satisfying part. Just, ooh. I absolutely love these. Now, these are the Vland headlights. If you guys remember, I also put Vland taillights on my car. These look absolutely sick. They've done me really well. I love them. Oh, Vito's here. He actually has Vland taillights on his car too. The C light is actually more extended on these. Like my C lights stop like right here. These go all the way down. They're just slightly changed. Now, like the taillights, these are heavily inspired by the 2017 and up headlight and taillights. There is a straight comparison. This is sick. But since they're both blacked out housings, they look pretty much the same, but this just looks a little bit better. There's something I should probably start doing a little more often, cleaning up before I put parts back in. So apparently these are supposed to be plug and play, but then again, so are my taillights, and we had to do some wiring with that, but it wasn't too difficult. I think this should be pretty easy. Stock headlights came with some LEDs. These came with an actual bulb. These are not LEDs. So they sent me out two little tiny bulbs. This is the one and only downside about these headlights that I know so far. It should at least come as like an option if you want to pay more, because I would have definitely done that. I'm definitely not going to be able to see anything with these bulbs. Good thing I still have my light bar. I'm going to be solely relying on that, because these headlights are pretty much not going to be practical. All right, shoved it in there. First, heard something snap, which definitely wasn't good, but it worked. At least now it's being held in there. Damn, they look good in there. Holy shit. Moment of truth, are these going to work? Okay, turn signals do not work. Damn it. I'm gonna put the hazards on. Are the hazards working? Nope.
Well, that turned on.
The headlight worked? Oh, okay, yep, we're gonna have to rewire. We just used one of the harnesses that they gave us. Literally just like an extender, but like, I guess it rewires or something. It says it's for 2013 through 2016, and this car's a 2017. But let's give it a shot. It might work. All right, wait, let's try turn signals again first.
Ah, they work.
They work? No way.
They work.
Dude. Oh, dude, I'm so hyped. Oh, that is so sick. I love the sequential. I know it's hyper blink, but it's better than nothing.
Hyper flash.
Hyper flash. Daytimes, they work? Oh, shit. Oh, dude, that looks sick. It works. Dude. You literally can't even tell that the regular lights are on. I mean, it's similar, but that looks so much better, dude. Holy crap. I'm in love. Vland is my new favorite lighting company. you guys already know that I'm trying to make the BRZ look as aggressive as possible. Adding the 38 mil spacer in the back definitely did some good. Made it look just a little bit more aggressive. I need some bigger spacers for the front, so we tried out the 15 mil spacer. That didn't work because the stock studs stick out just a little bit too far. Since they stick out a little bit too far, the wheel doesn't sit completely flat, and that's just not good. My two options are either to cut the stock studs, which I don't want to do. I want to leave that as a second option. My second option is to run a smaller tire setup and then run a 20 mil spacer and do that, but I really don't want to. If you guys have any suggestions, definitely let me know down in the comments, because right now I can't think of anything else. But damn, that is a wide booty. I'm like in love with this setup right now. Like, oh my God. All right, so I love how the headlights look. Absolutely dig them. But the bulbs that they provide just suck so bad. That's with the bulbs on. Now my fog light's not plugged in. Don't mind that. I gotta plug my fog light in. Let me adjust this so you guys can see it a little bit. The bulbs are on. You can see on both sides the bulbs are on. And they just suck. The fog light is lighting everything up so much better than the headlight. I'm like heavily using the light bar right now because these headlights, like, I cannot see anything out of them. I still think they look so sick though. These are super easy to install. I know they're becoming like the next big thing for BRZs. Like Spec Ds used to be the headlights that everybody gets. Now it's just Vlands. And I can see why, because these things just look awesome. They look really good in my opinion. They don't perform the best. So if you guys get these, I definitely recommend getting lights or upgrading to LEDs or just something like that. I don't really know lights all that well. So if I'm calling something else, or if I'm calling something by the wrong name, just correct me down in the comments. I apologize about that. I just love looking at these things. I hope you guys like them too. Like I said, I don't know if I'm going to be installing the big wing tomorrow or not. Whether I am or not, that's all up to you guys voting on my Instagram polls. I hope you guys are liking everything that's coming for the BRZ. We are going to be taking a break from the BRZ in a little bit. We're going to start doing some stuff to the RX-8 and the Civic. But thank you guys once again so much for watching. I love you guys. Peace out.